Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find TransferWise or Wise routing number. Wise is a game changer for international money transfers, and its routing number comes with some serious perks. First, it lets you receive payments like a local. Wise gives you a US routing number so you can get paid directly from American clients or platforms. No need for a US bank account. Secondly, it's perfect for freelancers and businesses. You can easily accept payments in multiple currencies without high conversion fees or hidden charges. Third, it's fast and affordable. Wise uses real exchange rates with low fees so you can save money when transferring funds internationally. And the best part is, it works just like a traditional bank account. You can link it to payment platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or Amazon for seamless transactions. Whether you're working globally or just want to avoid expensive bank fees, Wise routing number makes handling international payments simple and cost-effective. So let's come back to the main question: how to find Wise routing number. First of all you have to do is open the Wise application on your phone and make sure to log in with your account. Once the app is opened, you will see this layout on your screen. So if you want to find the routing number of the US bank account that is connected with your Wise account, then all you have to do is click on the US flag or the US icon on your screen. On the next page, you'll be able to see all the transactions you have completed or made from this USD account. All you have to do is click on your balance, which is just under the USD balance text. A new page will open. You will be able to see local and global SWIFT. In the local section, you will be able to see the account holder name, the ACH and wire routing number which we are looking for. And also you will be able to see your account number just below the routing number. For the ease of use, the Wise application also allows you to copy this routing or account number by just clicking the copy icon in front of it. If you want your global routing number, then you can go to the global SWIFT, and under there you will be able to see the account holder, the routing number, and the SWIFT code. You can click reveal button to reveal your SWIFT or BIC number. And that's how you can find TransferWise or Wise routing number. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.